How you start your day determines how your day ends. But most people start their mornings by surrendering to chaos. Alarm, rush, stress, reactivity, and then they live in that chaotic energy all day long. What if I showed you a 10-minute ritual? A ritual that transforms chaos into calm, reaction into creation, stress into clarity. You won't believe it, but these 10 minutes can save your day. 10 minutes, as long as a coffee break, as long as the time you lose on a news site. But if you use these 10 minutes right, you can change not just your morning, but your entire day's energy, focus, and even mood. Most people start their mornings like this. The alarm goes off. They immediately grab their phone. Notifications, messages, emails. Before they even get out of bed, their brains are already locked into other people's agendas. Then they rush up, throw on clothes, grab something to eat, and run off to work or into the day. And all day long they feel this. I feel like I'm always playing catch-up. Because they are playing catch-up. They never started their day, they just started reacting. For years I surrendered my mornings to chaos. The moment I opened my eyes, I'd reach for my phone, news, social media, work messages. Before I even had breakfast, my head was already filled with 15 different things. And then, all day, I'd try to escape from the chaos I created that morning. Until one day I decided to try something, just 10 minutes. Here's the first and perhaps most important step of the morning ritual. How you wake up. Most people get shocked when their alarm goes off. The sudden sound speeds up their heart rate, stress hormones surge, the body goes into fight or flight mode. And this sets the tone for the day. I no longer use aggressive alarms. Instead, a melody that gradually rises. Or better yet, natural light. Because your body is designed to wake up naturally. When sunlight hits your face, your cortisol level naturally rises, melatonin drops, and the body shifts into wakefulness mode. When the alarm goes off, don't jump up immediately. Stay in bed for a minute. Slowly open your eyes. Take a deep breath. Feel your body. Look at your room. Feel that you're here. This small moment sends a message to your body. You're safe. There's no need to rush. Here's the big rule. For the first 10 minutes, don't touch your phone. I know it seems hard, because the phone has become a habit. But here's the truth. Reaching for your phone in the first 10 minutes means giving control of your day to others. Before you even say good morning to yourself, the world starts telling you what to think, how to feel, what to do. Because when you wake up in the morning, your brain is in a special state. Its waves are slower, more creative, more open. In this state, you can think deeply, make clear decisions, connect with yourself. But the moment you reach for your phone, this state disappears. Your brain suddenly goes into reactive mode. Now, you got out of bed. You didn't touch your phone. What's your first task? Drink a glass of water. This might sound too simple. But this simple action makes a massive difference for your body. Throughout the night for 6 to 8 hours, you didn't drink any water. Your body became slightly dehydrated. And there's a psychological effect. When you drink water, it means you're taking care of your body. I see your needs. And this small act of care determines how you'll treat yourself for the rest of the day. Also, drinking water brings you to the present moment. As you sip the water slowly, you feel awareness. Now, you drank water. Your body is waking up. But it's not fully online yet. Now it's time to move. And no, you don't need to go to the gym right away. You don't need to run for 30 minutes. Just move. 2 to 3 minutes. Stretching, bending, light movements. When you move, your heart rate speeds up. Your circulation increases. More oxygen goes to your brain. Endorphins start being released. And your body goes into active mode. Research shows that just 5 to 10 minutes of light movement in the morning can increase your energy level by 20% throughout the day. Now you moved. Your body is awake. But something is still missing. Breath. Because breath is directly connected to your nervous system. If you're taking fast, shallow breaths, your body says, there's stress. And the sympathetic nervous system becomes active. But if you're taking slow, deep breaths, your body says, we're safe. and the parasympathetic nervous system kicks in. Here's a simple technique. 4 to 7 to 8 breathing. Breathe in for 4 seconds, through your nose, slowly, hold for 7 seconds. While holding your breath, feel the air inside you. Breathe out for 8 seconds. Through your mouth, slowly, empty completely. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. And you'll feel what happens. Your heart rate will slow down, your shoulders will drop. Now your body is awake. Your breath is calm, your mind is clear. Now it's time to design your day. Most people start their days without a plan. They wake up, go with the flow, and when evening comes, they ask, "What did I do today?" Because they never set an intention. Intention is different from a goal. If a goal is what I'll do, intention is how I'll be. A goal is result-focused. Intention is process-focused. When the brain sets an intention, it starts looking for behaviors that match that intention. This is a mechanism called the reticular activating system, RAS. Your brain's system for finding what it focuses on. And here's the last step, perhaps the most powerful one: gratitude. Most people start their mornings complaining. "Oh, it's Monday again. I wish I had slept more. Today's going to be so busy." This energy sets the tone for the day. Complaining energy is negative energy. And negative energy attracts more negativity throughout the day. Research shows that people who practice 2 minutes of gratitude every morning are happier, less stressed, and feel more life energy. Close your eyes and ask yourself, what am I grateful for today? In the mornings, I usually count 3 things. I'm grateful for today because I'm grateful that is in my life. I'm grateful that happened yesterday. Now let's go back. How long did all these steps take? Wake up slowly, 1 minute. Don't touch phone, 0 minutes. Drink water, 1 minute. Move, 2 to 3 minutes. Breathe, 2 to 3 minutes. Set intention, 1 to 2 minutes. Feel gratitude, 1 to 2 minutes. Total, about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. But these 10 minutes determine the rest of your day. Because when you win your morning, you win your day. And when you win your day, you win your life. This ritual doesn't require motivation. It doesn't require extreme discipline. Just 10 minutes. 10 minutes you dedicate to yourself. And I guarantee you, if you do this ritual for 7 days, you'll feel the difference. You'll wake up calmer, you'll think more clearly, you'll be less reactive, you'll feel more control. Because the morning ritual is the foundation that carries you throughout the day. Without it, you're like a leaf blowing in the wind. But with it, you're like a rooted tree. Try it tomorrow morning, just 1 morning. Don't touch your phone. Drink water. Move. Breathe. Set an intention. Feel gratitude. 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. And feel the difference. Because life doesn't require big changes. Small rituals create big transformations. And these 10 minutes can be the beginning of your transformation. If this video made you feel something, don't forget to subscribe. Your morning ritual is waiting for you. Let's build it.